Good morning, children. How are you all doing? Hope you all are keeping good and safe inside the house. Now tell me, which letter did we do last time? You don't remember? Okay, I will tell you something. The objects were aeroplane, arrow, ambulance, apple, and alligator. Now tell me, which is the sound coming? A. So, which is the letter? A. Very good. We did letter A last time. So let's revise letter A again. Which letter is this? This is capital A. This is called Mama A and uppercase A. And this is small a. Baby A. The sound of letter A is A. Now guess which is the next letter? Revise the rhyme ABC. A, B, C. Yes, what have you said after A? A, B. Yes, A, B. B is the next letter. You know about the small b, and in today's lesson, we will learn about the capital B. And to guess the sound of letter B, I will show you some objects. So students, you have to focus on hearing its beginning sound. Now see, it is banana. What is it? It's a banana. Beta, some people like to eat it and some people use it in milkshake. Some people are fond of drinking banana shake. And it's a butterfly. Butterfly is a colorful insect and it sits on flowers and sucks the rust of flowers. Butterfly, butterfly. The third object is box. Box. Beta, focus on hearing its beginning sound. Box. And now the next object is book. Book. Reading book. Which is in your hands, which is in my hand. It is book. Bat. Bat. The boys play with the bat and ball. Bat. Bat. The next object is bus. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down. Bus, bus. So now students, have you noticed the beginning sound? All the objects beginning sound is B. This is letter B, small b, and the sound of letter B is B. Now start tracing with me. You have to start tracing from the red dot. You will trace on the dots, straight line, and beta in the middle you will put the dot because you have to draw left curve till the middle of the straight line. You will stop here, then you will again make another curve, left curve, B. This is capital B, and now trace the small b from the red dot, make the standing line, and now make the left curve from the middle. Beta, I have gone from the down to the dot, then you raise it and correct it. If your side is changed, then raise it and correct it. You have to trace on the dots. Okay, now you have to do the reading. The children, you have to do the reading like I have done for you. Okay, now see, circle letter B from the given words. You have to circle the letter B. So look at the letter B and find it in this word. Which is letter B? This is B. B is same like this letter B. B. And now circle the letter B from this given word, and on the page number 7 you have to identify and circle the objects starting with sound. Beta, in this picture you can see some kids. I am going to tell you their names. The small kid is Bablu and his brother is Babar, and here is a boy holding with a bat, Bakir, and here is Basit, and here is a girl, Beena is sitting on the bench. On this page we have to circle the objects starting with sound B and see the objects, and let's start circling on the sounds of B. Bus, bus. Circle on the bus. And what is Bakir holding in his hand? Bakir is holding a bat. Circle on the bat. He is playing with the ball. Ball. Bablu. Book. What is Beena holding in her hands? Book. Book. And where is Beena sitting? Beena is sitting on the bench. 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 Where is Basit sitting? Basit is sitting on the box. Basit is sitting on the box. Box. What is Basit eating? Basit is eating banana. So circle on banana. And this is butterfly. This is butterfly. Butterfly. So circle on butterfly. So the children, the way I have done the reading for you, you also have to practice in that way. Okay, wish you best of luck.